Good evening. Here's a summary of today's Nifty 50 market close. The Nifty 50 closed at 22,912, showing a modest recovery primarily driven by private banking stocks, although it remains firmly in a bearish trend. The index is currently trading 10.4% below its monthly highs and is positioned below both the 20-day simple moving average at 24,070 and the 50-day simple moving average at 24,969. Key banking stocks such as Kotak Mahindra Bank rose by 2.89%, HDFC Bank by 2.79%, and ICICI Bank by 2.33%, contributing to today's bounce from oversold conditions. However, this recovery is not widely supported, with only 20% of constituents trading above their 20-day moving averages, indicating a rotation into quality stocks rather than a genuine trend reversal. From a technical perspective, the Nifty remains in a confirmed downtrend, with the 10.4% decline reinforcing its bearish structure. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is at 33.9, suggesting oversold conditions that could lead to a relief bounce, but the MACD remains deeply negative at -661.93, indicating ongoing selling pressure. The trading near the Bollinger Lower Band, with a %B of 18.7%, confirms these oversold conditions, while an elevated average true range of 355 Indian rupees reflects typical declining market volatility. In terms of market breadth, private sector banks led today's recovery, while the public sector bank SBI saw a slight decline of 0.11%. Defensive stocks like ITC and Reliance both gained 0.28%, but their minimal participation suggests selective buying rather than a broad-based recovery. A critical breadth warning is noted, as only 20% of tracked constituents are above their 20-day simple moving average, highlighting structural weakness despite the bounce. The advance/decline ratio of 9:1 among top constituents masks underlying fragility, as many stocks remain in individual downtrends. Looking at derivatives, key levels to watch include support at 22,471, which is the 20-day low, and 22,222 at the Bollinger Lower Band. Resistance levels are at 24,070 for the 20-day simple moving average and 25,652 for the 20-day high. The bias for tomorrow is cautiously bullish. Despite the confirmed bearish trend, the oversold RSI